Imagine a world where underwater volcanoes are constantly erupting, sending plumes of hot magma into the ocean depths, creating new landscapes and altering marine life habitats. The intense heat triggers chemical reactions, impacting the delicate ecosystems of the ocean. But it's not just the underwater world that feels the effects, as ash and gases released can influence climate patterns globally. The constant activity creates a dynamic and ever-changing underwater realm. Exploring the depths reveals a world shaped by the raw power of nature, where life adapts to the challenges posed by highly active underwater volcanoes. Like and subscribe for more amazing what-if stories.